Hello guys, so welcome to Traditor FX. It's your special forex guy, you the smart FX lord. So right now, today video, I'm going to be talking about where gold is. All right, so I'm going to bring you the awareness of where gold is right now. So, but in my previous video, I talked about where gold was, the consolidation level that gold has been, and I talked about if it's going to be breaking out either way. But now gold has broken out one of the ways, and strong was the breakout. Man, if you look at the chart and you can see how this happened, just look at the move, guys. The move was massive. The move was massive. Let me get my tools. You can see this move was massive, guys. So right now gold has broken the pattern without any pullback. All right, so you should be expecting something if there was no pullback around that pattern area. So you should be expecting something big is cooking. So don't fall into that trap. Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about where gold is. I'm talking about where gold is. So watch this video from the beginning to the end, so you know, don't fall into that trap. So let's dive into the chart right now. All right, let's look at it from the higher perspective, higher time frame, I mean to say. So let's see. If you are really good at market structure, you should be able to see this on time, right? Even before I start saying about it. Okay. So we have structure here. We have a structure here. Okay. So we have this. Let's just start from here, right? I don't have to draw from the beginning, but you understand what structure is all about. So if we have this structure line up here so clean, right? And then this was the last break, all right? This is the last break. So if this was the last break, these are our lower low, right? You should understand where our supply zone is. If you are a good market structure trader, you should know this. All right. So we have our zone right here, lying and waiting. All right. So I don't have to keep that there. So what happened right now is, okay, after gold has broken this structure, broken this new structure here, all right, that gold has broken this new structure here. Sorry, that gold has broken this new structure here. Gold has to facilitate towards a possible demand and supply zone, right? You know, so that they can continue the structure. So what gold has been doing temporarily in this place that we can consider it to be consolidation, right? Gold was just doing build up, right? It was just doing build up. You know, the longer it builds, all right, the longer it builds, the stronger the momentum for the breakout. That is why we saw this strong momentum right here. You know, it took time for gold to build all these building all this for how many days, and we had finally had a breakout, and it was very, very massive. Okay, so don't think gold is flying, all right? Don't just think gold is flying. Gold is not flying. It may fly if we see a different setup. Okay, but right now gold is not flying. Gold has managed to facilitate towards a possible supply zone. So you should be watching out for possible reversal right now, because this zone, right, this zone is really, really active. I'm gonna put it entirely on this. This zone is, guy, this zone is active. You should be very, very careful with this zone, so you don't rush to start buying right now. All right, don't rush to buy. The market must have may have broken the structure, broken the channel, trend channel, and whatever. The structure is still holding. Don't forget, the structure is still holding. So don't be among the 99 that is going to fall if go finally obey the structure. So observe before you take your long position. Okay, guys, please, if you like this video, I want you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, and don't forget to leave a comment on my comment section. And feel free to share whatever topic you want me to make a video about. I'm there for you guys now. All right, and do well to avoid this trap. If the market continue up, break and then we now know that we have scale above the structure, then our bias is going to change. But right now, watch out, guys. Thank you for watching. Have fun. See you in my next video.